Continuing coverage tonight. Today, Emmanuel School's reopening for its 10th day of in-person classes. School officials claim the students most likely have herd immunity from the coronavirus. CBS 47's Madaris Babb joins us live with the details of that study. Madaris.
Well, Catherine, herd immunity, a big talking point here at the court yesterday, with the school saying that of the samples they collected, 59% tested positive for COVID-19 antibodies. However, the debate now is whether or not students are truly immune to the virus.
Now, that's an amazing number. Even if a guy was looking for this, you would have trouble finding it.
We had so many kids out.
Back in January, local pathologist and father of an Emmanuel School student, Dr. Paul Atmajian, and his family got sick. Later, he says he tested positive for COVID-19 antibodies.
And denies.
Atmajian weighed in at Tuesday's hearing on an injunction filed to shut down Emmanuel schools.
I realized that we not only had it, but my kids had been attending school while they had it.
Atmajian says he worked with Emmanuel schools and created a test based on antibody samples. Around 200 Emmanuel students, staff, and parents gave blood. Atmajian says 59% came up positive.
I found that I was surprised, and compared to these other samples that I had tested, there was just this predominance of positivity.
The study has not been validated by the FDA or any other medical professionals. UC Merced professor Yuri Grassis researches herd immunity. He says there is no concrete evidence people won't get the virus again, and says most medical professionals say to achieve herd immunity, at least 70% of the population has to get the virus.
I mean, what's happened in San Quentin is they've reached also about 60% of people who have either been, had the virus or have antibodies against the virus, and there's still more infections occurring. So there's still a lot we don't know about this virus and how much immunity we really need within a population.
Since Emmanuel schools opened, there have been no reported cases of COVID-19. The health department and the school representatives will meet right here back at the courthouse in September to argue its points once again to see whether or not the school can remain open. Reporting live from downtown, Madaris Babb, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.